This video we are going to draw a cup and saucer using the software Inkscape. We are going to open that software, click in the order, applications, then graphics, then Inkscape vector graphics editor. Click this circle tool, click on this tool and just draw an oval. We can give it a gradient color. For that, select this object and then go to object, fill and stroke. Then select the radial gradient and click on it. Then here double click. Here we can see 3 nodes, and in the center node we give the white shade, and in the outer node we give a darker color. And if you want, we can arrange this. And then take another copy of this circle. For that, select this circle, then click on edit, then click on duplicate. Here we can make this circle smaller in size. For making it proportionately smaller, we can press on Ctrl and Shift key together, then drag here. Then we can give it another gradient color. Click on the edit paths by nodes tool, then give it another shade here, then arrange it in the center. Then we can take another copy of this one in the order, edit, duplicate, or you can press Ctrl plus D together. Here also we make some changes. Here we give it another gradient fill color. Click on the node and give it a darker shade here, and here another shade. And we can arrange these circles. For arranging all these 3 circles in the center, horizontally and vertically, we can select all these 3 objects, then go to object, then align and distribute. Here you can click on center on vertical axis and center on horizontal axis. Then you can take copy of this one once more, edit, duplicate, and arrange it in a smaller size. Give it another color that is suitable to this one, then arrange it like this. Then click on object and lower to bottom, and you can arrange this as the bottom part of this saucer. Okay, now we have drawn a saucer here. We can group these all circles into one object. For that, we are going to select all these, then click on object and group. Now in the second step, we are going to draw a cup. Here we draw a circle vertically, then give it gradient color. Select this circle, click on object, fill and stroke, then select radial gradient, then double click on it, then give it a darker color, and for this node select a light color, and you can arrange these nodes here. Then draw another circle on top of this one. Give it a color to see there, fill and stroke. Then arrange the circle on top of that. See, select these two objects and click in the order, path, and then on difference. Then draw another circle on top of this. Arrange that circle here. Take duplicate copy of this one. Then make it a smaller one. Then give it white color. Then we can arrange them horizontally. Then take the duplicate copy of this one, edit, duplicate, give it the fill color of the T, and we want to draw a handle for this cup, so we draw a circle here. Then take a copy of this one and arrange it here. Then select these two objects and click on path and difference. Then draw another circle on that vertically. Then select these two objects, then click on path and difference, and arrange this handle here. Then click on object and lower to bottom. You can select the color, suitable color for that handle. Okay, here we have drawn this cup. Then you can take the calligraphic or brush strokes tool, then draw here like this and give it the color, and take duplicate copy, select all these three objects and then go to object, fill and stroke, and here you can blur these three objects like this. Then group all these objects, select all these objects and go to object, group. Then we are going to arrange this cup on the saucer. Then save this file as an SVG file. For that, click on File, Save. Select the folder where we want to. In this example, we use the desktop to save that file, and here we give the name for that file, cup and saucer. The extension of this file is SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. After giving it a suitable name, we click on Save. And here we can export this image to a PNG file. Click on File, then Export PNG Image. Here we have selected this object. Here are the options for exporting PNG image. We can export a page or a drawing, then selection or custom export is also available. And here we are going to export the selection. That means we have selected this object and we are going to export this selection. Then here we are going to export this cup and saucer to a PNG file. So click on this, then click on the selection tab, then select the folder where we want to export this file into. Click on Export As. Here we selected desktop as the destination, and here we give the name cup and saucer. Save. Then click on Export. Here the export is complete. So when we minimize this one, we can see that cup and saucer here. Okay. For more videos, subscribe Spandanam Video Zone. Thank you.